Crocs Unisex are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the best Crocs unisex from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. 100% synthetic, imported, ethylene vinyl acetate sole. Shaft measures approximately 8 inches from arch. Heel measures approximately 0.85. Crocs for everyone, with a color and style for every personality. The classic clogs are the Crocs women, and men need to start a comfort revolution around the world. Lightweight and fun. The Crocs for men and women feature lightweight iconic Crocs comfort. Ventilation ports add breathability and help shed water and debris quickly. What size should I buy? These men's and women's Crocs offer a roomy fit, and we recommend ordering a size down to the next largest whole size. Designed to fit, these slip-on clogs are easy to take on and off, while being extremely durable. These Crocs even offer pivoting heel straps for a more secure fit. Crocs for women and men. The Crocs Classic Clogs are not only the most comfortable shoes for women and men, but also easy to clean just using soap and water, and allowing for a quick dry. If you're curious about Crocs, this review will answer your questions and help you decide if you should buy a pair. Crocs have officially made a comeback. I remember when Crocs first became popular in the late 2000s. Like Ugg boots, Crocs were immediately polarizing, and it's safe to say that they had more haters than lovers. Some people swore by their Crocs, but most people, including me, just didn't get the hype. They were huge, weird clogs that looked like a bizarre hybrid between sandals and water shoes. After a few years, the controversy wore off, and we all kind of forgot about Crocs. Well, it's been over a decade since their initial heyday, and Crocs are officially back thanks to the pandemic. They filled an increasing need for comfortable and versatile house shoes. Plus, people became less self-conscious about what they wore because of the lockdowns. But are these odd foam clogs really worth it? Or are they just another trend that will be forgotten? That's what I've been thinking about for the past several weeks, as I've been rocking my very own pair of Crocs. I've worn them extensively in all kinds of conditions, and in this honest review, I'll share my thoughts on these divisive shoes. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this, please subscribe this channel.